Just for clarification, if you have a Herbert Hurt clock or a other clock that has a square hole hand and it doesn't go off exactly where it needs to go off, as long as you don't have an antique hand, you can round out that hole. You're going to have to put a square washer first, then the hand, which has got a round hole in it, then another square washer, and then the round nut. And when I turn this clock, it's going to be off because I got it off for the video. So all I have to do is loosen this nut, put the hand in position, and then retighten the nut. And I'm sorry you can't see that, but I'm holding the camera with one hand. So now, when it goes off, it should be close, if not dead. So again, if you have a square whole hand and your clock is not going off where it needs to go off, the easiest thing to do, as long as you don't have an antique hand, is to make that hole round. Put a square washer on first, the hand, another square washer, and then the round nut. The round nut, because you put two square washers in that square arbor, the round nut is going to hold that hand in position. And then you can put your final nut on if you choose to do so, to make it look all pretty. I hope this helps, and God bless.